Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to refresh and recap how you use a protractor to measure angles. Alright, this is something you've learned before, but let me just refresh your memory. But before I do that, let me refresh your memory about angles again. Now angles, as you should know, it happens when there's two lines that meet at a point. Okay, so when two lines meet at a point, it forms an angle. So there are many types of angles. So the angle that you see here is an acute angle. So an acute angle is angle that is less than 90 degrees. If I have an angle that looks like this is what we call an obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. Now if my angle is exactly 90, alright, then this is what we call a right angle or a 90-degree angle. Okay? So now how do you measure an angle? So let's say I have this angle here. So how do I measure this angle? What you need will be a protractor. So I'm just going to pull out a protractor here. So the protractor looks something like this. So a few things to take note. One is you must put the base of this protractor, you see this zero line here, to the base of or to one of the lines here. Okay, normally we'll take the line at the bottom. Alright, so I'll put it here. Okay, so I'll align this here. Now the second thing you need to remember is this cross here, the plus here. Okay, this cross must, this point here, the cross where this cross meets, must touch the point where the two lines meet. So they must go together. So what I do is I'll drag my protractor here. Okay, so from there I can read my angle. So because my angle grows up like that, so it starts from 0. So there are always two sets of readings. Depends on where your angle is. So always start from 0 and go all the way up. So because it goes all the way up here, this is 50 and this will be 55. So my angle, this angle here is 55. Okay, so that's how you measure an angle. Right, now let's say I have this angle here. Okay, so this is obviously an obtuse angle. How do I measure it? So same thing, put the protractor on the line. Okay, make sure the intersection touches the point where the two lines meet. And since it grows out like that, so I need to start from 0 here. So it moves down, and if you look here, it's about 150, and it cuts here, so this is 155. So the angle is 155. So, oops. So let's check. 155 degrees. Yep. So 155 is correct. Okay, so that's how you actually measure angles.